In the heat of Kingston's toughest ghetto, no one has ever had the guts to stop the gang that rules its streets. Until now.
Your methods of crime fighting may be effective, but they're not always right.
He's Jamaica's toughest cop, who's come home to clean up his old neighborhood.
He'll be a great asset to us here.
We run things, things no run we.
Police!
Watch the rush, Skinny.
It's a fight that will take everything he's got.
Watch your back, batty boy.
And an investigation
You have a search warrant?
that will lead him to the last person he'd ever suspect.
Ratty.
His oldest friend.
Police!
Go find Ratty and turn him around. You reap what you sow.
As a friend, he'll give him a break.
Testify to police, no.
You never used to question me.
As a cop, he'll kill him if he has to.
I'm going to get you, Ratty!
No. We run the street no run we. We run the uptown and the downtown passes.
Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. Goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life.
Third world cop.
Not nice. Pay the price.
Trust me. Man a bad man.
No, officer. No, you have them.